What's going on, everyone? It's Mayur from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. Welcome to my Storm review. And now I am inside the members area of Storm. And during this video, I will give you the detailed Storm demo and walkthrough of what is inside and what Storm does basically. So let's check out the Storm demo quickly.
Guys, I'm about to reveal to you a controversial breakthrough, which pays us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes for copying and pasting. Blogging plus Pinterest equals cash. I repeat again, blogging plus Pinterest equals cash. Totally simple. And let me show you how Storm can achieve this for you like no other app will ever do for you in 3 very simple to follow steps.
Storm. Storm is a web application which is compatible for PCs, Mac, and mobile. It gives some amazing results. It's just a simple three steps formulation and very easy setup, which makes around $25 to $50 after every 5 minutes. Just copying and pasting. Isn't it great? So I highly recommend that you pick this up because this is going to save you a bunch of money from the other competitors. Where like we will just go through this video. In this video, basically we are going to cover three major aspects. The first one is I am going to give you the detailed demonstration of the Storm application. Secondly, I have bunch of amazing bonuses. I am saying it amazing because they're going to help you out after learning the Storm application. And third thing, we will go with the pricing and the upsell of the Storm application. Let's understand how you can get these bonuses. So to pick my epic bonuses, you just have to click on the link down below in the description, and which will take you to the sales page. Let you know that this is going to be go live on Wednesday, 7th of October at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will be able to click on any of these green buttons that will bring you to the sales page, which will look like this, where you will be able to go ahead and pick this up. I need to pick up all my bonuses before this countdown timers hit 0. When it does, all my bonuses will expire, and obviously this is something I don't want you to miss out on. I'm just going through my bonuses now because they're super powerful. I'm saying them super powerful because I picked these bonuses which will help you in the implementation after learning Storm. So let's go to the bonus page now. Like all these are the bonuses which you are going to get free of cost after buying Storm. So the bonus number one is access lockdown formula from Jono Armstrong. Jono is the number one affiliator right now in the business. He has the info product like access lockdown formula. You should not miss out for this bonus. The second bonus is access Jono's mobile course. So this is basically Jono has explained how to earn money, like a lot of money, using this mobile course. This is followed by the bonus number 3, which is how to build a website for a dummies. So this is the detail course, like even non-technical people, they can make their own website. Then the bonus number 4 is access Nova and all the upsells. No, Nova is also an amazing app. You should not miss out this app. And this is only for the first 12 hours buyers that they are going to buy the Storm. So this product is amazing product, and this is followed by the special bonuses. These are the all vendor bonuses. So let's take out what exactly vendor is also offering. So vendor like here we have the Storm Drive, Storm Send, Storm Funnel, VT Mission, FB Mission. So all these bonuses you can check. You can take your own time and just go through that. Now this is something really big. The special bonus, which gives you away the 10 iPhones to the first 150 buyers of Storm. So look at this is the big bonus. So at the your own time, you can just go through the sales page. So there is a lot of here from the vendors. There are a lot of bonuses here from the vendors. You're going to get all these vendor bonuses, plus all of my custom bonuses, which are very powerful. You will agree on that. Then all everything is like completely free of charge. Vendor is also like the special bonus of iPhone 10, which is giveaway. You can just check it out in the sales page. So all these bonuses, everything will be delivered instantly. Even you will just go for the pick up the front end of Storm, so which is going to be $17. So this is really an amazing offer. So to do that, just follow these 5 simple steps. Step number one, click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you to my bonus page. Step number two, just scroll down the page and click on any of this green button before this timer hits 0. That will bring you to the sales page. It will look like this. Just scroll down, and step number three, just pick it up. Once you will pick it up, you have to log in through your Warrior Plus account, and like on the top right hand side, just click on your username and go to the purchase history, and that will and uh, just pick up the Storm. Okay, it will show you it will take you the receipt page, which will look like this. So you just have to click on access affiliate bonuses, and like all these bonuses you can able to access. So guys, let's go over the sales page and check it out right now. It says Storm. This $39.9 billion breakthrough pay us for copying and pasting. Controversial breakthrough. Pay us 25 to $50 every 5 minutes for copying and pasting. When we want more profit, we rise and repeat. So this is that is the headline right here. Check out the whole sales page in your own time. I'm not going to go through this whole thing with you, but there are some income proofs. Let me show you that. Like this is the money basically the other people they are earning using Storm. So you can just go through this. This is really amazing. This is, I guess, runtime, like people are earning 25 $50. These are the payouts and income proofs from other users from Storm. I'm not going to waste any more time on here. I'm just going to jump straight into the app and show you around. It's going to look like this. This is the dashboard, and so the Storm has very nice and clean dashboard. On the left hand side, we have the navigation system. Just go quickly through the demo video.
Blogging plus Pinterest equals cash. Totally simple. Very simple to follow steps. Step 1. Build a profitable blog in less than a minute.
So they have the auto system there where like they're creating your own blog.
Guys, would you like to know how you create a blog without all the headache? Well, this is how. Click on the Blog Builder tab and your hot topic into this label and click on Build Blog.
Just click on the select your hot topic and click on the blog.
And that's it, guys. What Storm is doing is creating a 100% clean, ready to plug and play and ads-free WordPress installation built in with a professional WordPress theme special for profitable blogging, which you would need to pay for by getting access to it anywhere else online. You have to spend hours figuring. Great. Let's log in. Professional WordPress profitable template you can use as well to save you a lot of the headache of building a really professional looking profitable blog in just a few clicks. Step 2. Build an engaging pin in just a few clicks. Here inside Storm, we'll pin To be able to post it to your page for trending and profitable pin items, able to for inspiration. Here,
So they have all editing tools, everything. It's very, very powerful and very nice.
you can also use drawing, shapes, and create post. Step 3. Post your engaging and profitable pin. Finally, it's about. Would like to repost this and how often. And here you can decide in which Pinterest accounts you would like to post. Finally, you will finish up your campaign.
This is very powerful and amazing tool for marketing. Guys, we have seen Storm is extremely simple but very powerful for the marketing. Now let's check out the pricing and the upsell. So here is the pricing. The front end, which is $17, like all my bonuses, everything with the custom bonuses, vendor bonuses, everything you are going to get for the $17 access to the powerful Storm software and the training modules plus our all custom bonuses and vendor bonuses, everything is going to be for the $17. The upsell number one, Storm Unlimited, which is for the $37. uh, Upsell number two, Storm Done for You, which is for the $197. Don't want to do it yourself? Yeah, then you can just tell to the Storm team and they will set up everything for you. Just like done for you. Then the upsell number three is Storm 1 hour profit for $67. Then the upsell number four, Storm Limitless Traffic for $147. Then they have the upsell number 5, Storm Diamond Edition. This is your chance to steal for the 10 proven done for you profit sites. You can check it out. Like this is really amazing. Then the upsell number 6, Storm Reseller. This will allow you to sell the Storm and keep the commission across the entire funnel. Guys, I will definitely recommend you like go for the upsell number 1 or 2. That will definitely add an value like after buying the front end of the Storm. There are tons of information on my bonus page. Even if you'll go to the sales page, so you can go through it at your own time. So my thought on this, Storm is extremely simple but most powerful web-based app to earn money easily and quickly. I definitely recommend that you pick this up, so you will get all my mega bonuses as well. That's it from me. Thank you for watching my Storm review. I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.